Most people quit too early, and I know this firsthand because in my first full 1 year trying to earn an income online, I earned $170. And boy, was I frustrated. Did I feel like giving up? Of course I did. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you an update which I just shared with my community over here inside of Faceless Freedom, okay? And what I'm going to share with you in this video as well is I'm going to share with you a number of methods and things which I was trialing and testing and trying to basically I was trying to earn an income online. And as you will see in the video, it wasn't all plain sailing, and I break down everything. So we look at different things like my affiliate journey within the first year. We also look at my TikTok journey and things that we did, and then we also have a little look at YouTube because we've been doing this now full time since 2017, and it's not all rainbow and roses, earning online. I don't care what anybody says. It's not all, fast cars, lots of money, living the beach life and things. That's it's complete nonsense. It really is. That is normally by people trying to sell you $1,000 courses. So in this video, and literally I'll quit this talking part now and we'll dive into it. I'm just going to share with you the truth of earning online. And yes, it's frustrating. Yes, you can feel lonely at times. Yes, you might want to give up. But as you're going to see with the numbers in here and the actual proof, if you keep going, if you keep, pushing through, staying consistent, doing daily activities, learning and staying with this, the results can be genuinely mind-blowing, okay? So, as always, any questions, do let me know. If you want to come and check out Faceless Freedom, it's absolutely free. There'll be a link somewhere on the page, whether it's in the comments, the description, wherever. I'll highlight it for you. But look, enjoy. Any questions down below. I'll see you soon. Oh, good morning, Shadows. I hope you're all well. Now, I'm going to give you some inspiration. I'm going to give you some motivation. And hopefully, look, by the end of this video, it will give you a lot more understanding about this whole online journey. Because, look, I get hundreds, and I genuinely do get hundreds of emails. I get messages. As you can see over here. I get messages on here. I get it on Facebook and other platforms about earning online. The biggest thing that I am seeing, whether it's, whether we're looking at YouTube, TikTok, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, TikTok shop, Amazon, it doesn't matter. The biggest problem many people have is the lack of the results, and things are potentially taking too much time. Unfortunately, this is all part of the process and the plan, okay? But if we are following a simple and structured method like what I share with you over here in the classrooms, we are going to be getting to those results and our goals a lot quicker, okay? Now, I'm not hypey. I don't share BS online. Everything that's in this community is what I do to earn an income online. And I have learned and developed, different methods and strategies over the year. And when I tell you right now at this moment in time is the easiest time to be earning online, I don't just say that willy-nilly. It's a fact, okay? With AI and, even Canva is unbelievable compared to what it was years ago. There's so many tools and resources to speed up this entire process, okay? However, part of the whole online journey of earning is frustrating sometimes. You do sometimes get a little bit lonely when you're working on your own and a lack of self-belief, okay? But I'm going to share this with you, okay? And believe me, I have thought about quitting so many times. I genuinely have. Fast forward to today, I'm living the dream to a degree. So I'm going to show you this, okay? I'll show you a few examples, okay? Because over the years, if you don't know, by the way, I have a website. It's called Not Taught at School. On here, I have been sharing different methods that I have been doing online since 2017, whether it's affiliate marketing, YouTube, TikTok, etc. And you will see here, we've been doing this since 2017. All the way down here, okay? So what I'm going to share with you is real. It's not BS, but I just wanted to give you some inspiration and to keep you going on your journey, okay? So let's start over here. Let's go on this platform over here, Warrior Plus. So over here, when I first heard about the concept of affiliate marketing, my head was blown. I thought, this is unbelievable. I couldn't believe it. I thought it was a real thing. I didn't think it was a real thing. In fact, I'm going to share with you, and not many people know this, I'm going to show you this. Hopefully this will still be up. Fans help. Oh, this was the first website I built ever. VT? I think that's how you spell it. VIVI. Let's just see if it's still up. No, it's not. Let's try this. Fans help. Let's try that one. Oh, it's Jigsaw. So let me show you this. Because like I say, when I heard about affiliate marketing, I thought this is unreal. I'm going to dive into this. And, got really excited, went away. And at the time, I think I was like 19, 20. It was a long time ago. And I remember I found this website over here. It was called the VT at the time. It's now called Jigsy.com. And essentially, it was a free. It was a website. It was a tool where you could build a free web. I can't believe it's still on here. Look at that. It's on here. So I dived into this headfirst, made this little website. As you can see, we had things like cashback sites on here, earn a little extra. And I spent a long time on it. I mean, you wouldn't think it looking at it, but I did spend a lot of time on it. And this was before the days of AI, so everything on here we had to type out ourselves, and it would take hours. And as you can see on here, links are broken because it's years old. But the whole concept of this was, with affiliate marketing, you share content online, people click the links down here, you earn an affiliate commission. And it, it didn't do anything. I would say, from memory, I spent a good 6 months on this website easily, because even things like this over here, getting this little box over here, it was ridiculous. I had to learn all, how to build a website and stuff. So that was the first thing I did. Did I make any money? No, I ballsed up with it basically. So then I started learning about digital products and affiliate marketing. So then I found this website over here, which I'm sure many of you will know, is called, Warrior Plus. And I was watching a number of affiliates over on no, it wasn't TikTok, it was YouTube and Facebook. And they were sharing these results of, earning £2,000 a month, £5,000 a month, even 10 grand a month. I was like, bloody hell. So I studied them, I looked at what they was doing, and I dived into it. And I set up my own website. And believe me, it was a headache, okay? But I was thinking long term and the potential with this. So you can see here, this is going back to 2018. Doing affiliate marketing in my first full year. This was a year, by the way, not a couple of weeks. It was a year. Look how much I earned. $174. You could cry. You could cry. I can remember, times like this, just thinking, what am I doing wrong? So these down here are all of the different products which I'd found over on Warrior Plus. Hops means people have clicked my links. Sales is 16. Conversion is obviously hops minus sales equals conversion. And yeah, $174 for a full year of doing affiliate marketing. What was I doing? I was building out websites, I was doing review articles, I was doing YouTube videos, I was sharing it on Facebook. And yeah, $174. And even now I still get frustrated looking at this and thinking, what the bloody hell was I doing? Where was I going wrong? So I went back away and I looked at the people within the industry, the people who were really high at the top. Some of those people aren't doing this anymore because they've made enough money and they've shot off into the sunset. But I was looking at what they was doing, and then I was trialing and testing things. $174 in a year. I'm sure many people would have quit. Let me show you the next year. So if I take this over here to 2019, I'll take this one over here too, 2019, and I hit on go, you're going to see a jump. The following year, you'll see over here, we did $41,821. Combined earnings, because I started playing around with releasing some of my own products, was $42,000. So within that year, within a 2-year gap, we went from very little to a huge jump over here. And it wasn't just Warrior Plus where we was doing this. We was doing, different video software. So some of you long-time subscribers may remember Vidnami. I built that up to $1,000 a month for recurring, and it was just brilliant. It was. But the point what I am sharing with you is, earning online doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't matter what nonsense you see on Facebook and Instagram and, idiots stood near fast cars and girls and money and stuff. Forget it all. They're just after your money selling you $1,000 courses. I know, I've bought a lot of those $1,000 courses, okay? But that was affiliate marketing. And obviously, fast forward to today, we're still doing it nowhere near as much as what we was doing here because I was going hard with it. As you can see, loads and loads of different products on here that I was promoting and other bits. But it just shows you the potential of staying focused, staying on track. Okay. The other one I'm going to share with you is this. And again, I nearly quit this one. This was YouTube. So a few years ago, I can't remember how many years ago, I was documenting my journey on YouTube. And again, whenever I go into any method for earning online, I have my niche. Once I've got my niche, I then look at other creators within that niche and I look at, what are they doing? Are they any good at it? And I just basically break it all down into little chunks so I understand it because underneath everything, I'm a bit thick, so I need to know basics. So if we come here, you will see this, and this is genuine. You can check it out over on my YouTube channel. If I scroll down here, where is it? Here we go. So I can't remember the exact date of when I started this, okay? But I documented my first 50 subscribers. That was the 25th of September 2018, okay? Fast forward a month in October, we had 100 subscribers. Another month later, we had another 50. So we had 150. And bearing in mind, I was uploading a video a day because, like I said, what I was doing is I was looking at the people in the niche. I noticed they were all uploading videos daily. So I thought, well, I've got to commit to that. And I did. And you can see down here the numbers. And from September over to December here, where is it? Yeah, here it's starting to get a little bit of traction. But uploading videos every single day from September up to, you can see here, December, we was averaging about 50 subscribers a month, which is, it's great. But I can remember it clear as day. I was going on holiday with my family in Centre Parks, and I'd schedule my videos, and then one video randomly from months before, I think it was a video about earning online with YouTube, started picking up. And you can see on here, instead of getting 50 subscribers a month, we started getting, look, here we got 50 subscribers in 2 days. Then we got 100 subscribers. Then, fast forward another few days, we got another 100 and another 100. And I couldn't believe it. I can remember thinking, bloody hell, I've made it. I'm going to get my YouTube channel, monetized soon. And it was just, I just remember thinking, I'm going to crack on with this because prior to going away, I was thinking, what am I doing? I'm just, I'm wasting my time. I'm uploading these videos every single day, even on the weekend. I was still doing it. I was uploading these videos and I was getting really frustrated and looking at these other creators, the creators in the niche, like at the top of this, and it was frustrating because I was looking at the content that they were doing, thinking, yeah, without being big-headed, the methods that they're sharing are nonsense. They're just absolute nonsense. So we just ploughed on. But then you can see here, look, we started going from 50 subscribers a month to 100 subscribers in a few days. And then if we scroll a little bit further down the page over here, you can see we've gone from 2,000 on the 26th of January. Couple of weeks, we got 500 subscribers. So 250 subscribers for two consecutive weeks. And then, as you can see here, it just started snowballing. And then over here in the April, I mean, look at this. On the April, 2,000 subscribers in a day. Unbelievable. Scroll further down the page over here. After a crazy week averaging 1,000 subscribers, it calmed down a little. So we was averaging 1,000 subscribers a day. And obviously, here in the April, we'd been doing it for about 9 months consistently, uploading every single day. The growth was finally happening. But what we was finding as well is a lot of the growth that was happening here and also here was coming from videos that we'd done weeks and months prior. And that's why I say to you all the time, you're just potentially one video away. You could upload a video today, does absolutely nothing, and then it can randomly take off in a couple of weeks, a couple of months. I've even had videos which pick up after like 10, 11 months later. But had I have quit with this, we wouldn't have done the numbers that we did with YouTube and other stuff. And it's the same with the affiliate marketing over here. It's frustrating. It's frustrating, but you keep going and you keep building out stuff. And over on the website, like I say, we document everything, we share everything because we don't want to hype it up, you know, we don't want no nonsense. We just share what's working. And if you go over to the website, you can find all of these articles, whether it's affiliate marketing, whether it's YouTube. We even did the same when we did TikTok. We documented the growth on TikTok, and I'll tell you now, hands down, out of all of the case studies and all of the methods I ever did, TikTok was insane. Absolutely insane. It was bloody brilliant. And if I scroll down here, I'll show you the numbers again so you can see this. Our first month, look at this, our first month in November was incredible. We did, what did we do? It's down here. We did 2,700, so about $3,000 in our first month on TikTok. Couldn't believe it. Following month, we did 5.5 grand. Bloody brilliant. So that this is, I've been saying to you, it takes time, effort, and consistency, and then I'm sharing TikTok. We did 5 grand in a couple of months, but TikTok Shop was incredibly new at this moment in time. There was not a lot of people diving on this. When I saw the potential with this, I thought I'm going to test it. I'll document it. I did, and then from there we created a training program around it, and we had people in that community go on, and we had one lad called Zach do over 20, I think it was 22 grand in a month. But the same principle applies whether we are looking at TikTok, YouTube, affiliate marketing. We need to be doing daily effort. We need to be staying consistent. We need to show up when we don't want to. It's hard. It is hard. But the trade-off to it is today is I don't even know what today is. Today I think it's Wednesday or Thursday. The time is 11:30. I've done the school run with the kids. I've come home. I've had a walk. I've had a workout, a sauna, etc. I'm doing this video for you. Life is a lot more easier and chilled out rather than if I would have continued on, you know, the corporate route and stuff. But it does take effort, regardless of what anyone says. Okay, so look, keep going. It doesn't matter what method you were doing if you are not getting results now. Keep testing, keep tweaking, but do continue. Good luck. Any questions, do let me know. I'll see you soon.